Welcome to part 9 of Pollinator Friendly Gardening Tips. Discover the wonders of catnip, a beloved herb that not only captivates cats but also attracts bees with its delightful blooms. To grow catnip, find a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Sow the seeds or plant seedlings in the early spring and watch as the fragrant leaves and beautiful clusters of lavender flowers emerge. Catnip's nectar-rich blossoms provide a valuable food source for bees, ensuring their well-being while adding a touch of enchantment to your garden. Indulge in the vibrant beauty and peppery flavor of nasturtiums, a versatile plant that thrives in both gardens and containers. These colorful flowers not only brighten up your space, but also entice bees with their abundant nectar. Plant nasturtium seeds in well-drained soil after the last frost and witness the lush foliage and dazzling blooms unfold. Nasturtiums are not only a visual delight, but also serve as a valuable food source for bees, making them a perfect addition to your pollinator-friendly garden. Embark on a fruitful journey with grapes, a beloved vine that offers both culinary delights and benefits for pollinators. To grow grapes, select a sunny location and provide sturdy support for the vines to climb. With proper care and pruning, you'll be rewarded with clusters of succulent grape. Bees are attracted to grape flowers, gathering nectar as they assist in pollination. By cultivating grapes in your garden, you create a win-win situation, enjoying delicious harvests while supporting the vital work of pollinators. Experience the enchantment of Petunias, a versatile and colorful flowering plant that brightens any garden space. With a wide range of hues and patterns to choose from, Petunias add a splash of beauty to containers, hanging baskets, or flower beds. Bees are naturally drawn to the abundant nectar found within the trumpet-shaped blooms of Petunia. Plant them in well-drained soil and provide ample sunlight to ensure their healthy growth. As you enjoy the vibrant display of Petunias, you are also providing a valuable food source for bees, making your garden a real pollinator paradise. Thank you for watching. Together we can cultivate a world buzzing with life. Please like and subscribe if you like this one, and we'll be happy to see you in the next video.